Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the iterators section. This is the .map method. The second iterator we're going to cover is .map. When .map is called on an array, it takes an argument of a callback function and returns a new array. Take a look at an example of calling .map. We have const numbers is an array of the numbers 1 through 5. We say const big numbers is assigned numbers.map, where our iterator parameter is number and represents the current element in our array. It will take that number and return it times 10, going through each element in the array. .map works in a similar manner to .forEach. The major difference is that .map returns a new array. In the example above, numbers is an array of numbers. Big numbers will store the return value of calling .map on numbers. Numbers.map will iterate through each element in the numbers array and pass the element into the callback function. Return a number times 10 is the code we wish to execute upon each element in the array. This will save each value from the numbers array multiplied by 10 to a new array. If we take a look at numbers and big numbers, this is what we'll see. Numbers will output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, while big numbers will output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Notice that the elements in numbers were not altered and big numbers is a new array. Instructions: add your code under the animals array and before the line console.log secret message.join. Use .map to create a new array that contains the first character of each string in the animals array. Save the new array to a const variable named secret message. Let's do that now. Let's run it. We do get hello world and we did pass. 2 says use .map to divide all the numbers in big numbers by 100. Save the return values to a variable declared with const called small numbers. Do that here. So that will go through big numbers and divide each one by 100, returning each value into small numbers. Let's run that. And we did pass. We can even log that out to see what it looks like. And we do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as expected. So what we're learning here, the .map method, is it takes an argument of a callback function and it will return a new array. We're told it's very similar to .forEach. The major difference is that it will return a new array. The other major thing that it said is notice that the elements in numbers were not altered. Notice that the elements in the original array are never altered, and the new array is its own new array. As long as you're getting that, you guys get the .map method, and I'll see you in the next lesson.